Okay, remember, you can either do this paper along with me, or you can watch the video and then do your paper. It's up to you, whatever works. But the main thing is that first you always listen to the number story. So Mrs. Pauline is going to read it, and you're just going to listen. We're not doing anything. There were 3 red stockings and 6 green stockings. How many stockings were there all together? So now when I read it this time, we're going to draw a picture. Remember, this is the part I want to see. This is the most important part for me. So there were 3 red stockings and 6 green stockings. So I don't have to use red and green. You don't have to, but you have to show me that there were 2 different colors somehow. So there were 3 red stockings. So I'm going to do 3 stockings like that. And there were 6 green ones. So let's say I decide to do 6 like this. I can do that, right? How many stockings were there all together? If I want to find something all together, I'm going to circle this so we know that we're looking at all of them. So I'm going to count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, I'm going to write a little 9 over here so I don't forget that that's how many I got when I did it this way. Let's move up and do the number line next. There were 3 red stockings and 6 green. So even though they told me the number 3 first, I'm going to start with the bigger number, the number 6. So there were 6 green stockings. I'm going to make my dot on the 6. How many stockings were there all together? So if I start on the 6, I need to add 3 more. And since I'm adding, I'm getting bigger. I'm going to have more. That means I have to go this way on the number line. Bigger, not towards 0. I have to go higher. So I'm going to go higher this many, 3. Watch me jump. 1, 2, 3, and then that's the number I circle. Does that number match? It does. So it looks like I'm on the right track. But we can use the 10 frame to help us too. 3 red and 6 green. Well, I'm going to put my 6 on there. That means a whole row plus 1 more. So I can either use another color, right? Or I could just leave some open circles. That's another way. So I have my 6. Now I need to do my 3 red ones. Let's do it like this. 1, 2, 3. Well, if I do it like this, clearly I can see that's 9 because it's the 10 frame and I'm just missing 1. And if I write a little 9, then I won't forget. And last but not least, I'm going to write it down here on the problem. 3 plus 6 equals 9. All right, we're going to flip it over. Remember, I'm going to set that down and just listen. Ming received 4 gifts from friends. She opened 2 gifts. How many gifts does she have left to open? So now let's draw this out. Let's just use blue because why not? Ming received 4 gifts from her friends. Let's look at these 4 gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and why not? I can turn those into packages so fast, right? Look at how those gifts are. So she received 4 gifts. She opened 2 of them. Oh man, she tore this apart. And she tore this one apart and opened it. Those are gone. She already opened them. How many does she have left to open? Well, I would say this many. What would you say? Let's check it on our number line. She got 4 gifts. Well, if she got 4 of them, and she opened 2, How many does she have left? Our number's getting smaller this time, right? So if our number's getting smaller, we have to head down towards the 0. So we're going to jump down 2. She opened 2 of them. She opened 2. I'm going to circle how many she has left. She just happens to have 2 left. Let's check it on the number line. She got 4 gifts. So I could draw 4 across, or I can do my circles just like this. 4, because I know when I see 4 dots like that, I know that that's 4. If they're in like a square. But 2 of them she opened. Uh-oh. I have to pretend those aren't there. How many does she have left? Just those 2, right? Let's draw it down here. 4 minus, or take away 2, equals 2. I want to see your pictures, guys. Don't leave that part blank. It's a super important part. See you later.